Picture this: you walk into your office one day and you find out that you have been replaced by a robot that is more powerful, faster, and smarter than you could ever be. Wouldn't that be a crazy scenario? Well, this could be the reality very soon, because AI revolution is upon us. Surely you will panic when you realize that your job is at stake, but instead of drowning in the fear of AI replacing us or fearing AI development, what if we saw it as an opportunity to help us? A tool that will improve our productivity and unlock a whole new skill set within seconds. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You may be wondering, what is ChatGPT? Or maybe you have heard about it recently. Simply put, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence that can do almost everything for you. It can write essays, articles, or even books for you. In just 5 days, the number of users went from 0 to 1 million. And after only 2 months, ChatGPT has more than 100 million users. Therefore, it is the fastest growing internet service ever. For comparison, it took TikTok 9 months and Instagram 2.5 years to reach that level. Think about it. How many times have you found yourself stuck with repetitive, boring tasks or drowning in a sea of paperwork and emails? These tasks can take valuable time and energy, leaving you feeling drained and unproductive. But with ChatGPT, you can hand over these tasks and focus on more important, creative aspects of your job, freeing up time to concentrate on tasks that requires your expertise and creativity. By integrating ChatGPT into your daily routine, you will be able to work smarter, not harder. It will help you to stay organized, be more productive, and ultimately be more successful in your career. So get ready to take your career to the next level. Today, I'm very excited to show you how embracing technology can transform the way you work. With the power of ChatGPT, you will be able to streamline your tasks, increase your productivity, and achieve greater success. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So let's dive into the top 4 uses of ChatGPT in your daily corporate life. Email management with ChatGPT. Not only can ChatGPT assist you with sorting and categorizing your emails, it can also take it one step further by writing emails for you. Whether it is for your customers, your boss, or coworkers, all you have to do is provide some key information, such as the subject, main points you want to cover, and ChatGPT will do the rest. This means that you no longer have to spend hours crafting the perfect response to your emails. ChatGPT can write emails that are professional, informative, and tailored to your specific needs. For example, if a customer emails you with a question about availability of a product, you can quickly provide ChatGPT with the necessary information, such as the product name and any relevant details, and it will generate a response for you in just a matter of seconds. The response will be written in a clear manner, and it will include all the information the customer needs to know. For example, here I'm asking ChatGPT to write an email for a vacation request to my boss. This is amazing. Look how fast this is. The more specific you are, the better the text is. You can even ask ChatGPT to make it more dramatic, or more funny, or shorter, or longer. You have unlimited possibilities that are not controlled by emotion. So if you receive an unpleasant email, don't respond emotionally. Let ChatGPT do the work. Proofreading. ChatGPT can also assist you with proofreading documents. AI can quickly detect and correct grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and even awkward phrasing in your documents. ChatGPT can also help you improve the overall quality of your writing by providing suggestions of alternative phrasing and vocabulary. Whether you're writing a company proposal or a research paper, ChatGPT can help you elevate your writing to a professional level and ensure that your messages are clear and to the point. In today's fast-paced corporate world, accuracy and attention to details are critical for success. With AI, you can trust that your documents and text are error-free and professional, giving you that edge in a competitive environment. Here I'm asking ChatGPT to correct the grammar for a very poorly written budget request. Also asking it to make it more professional and to add justification for the budget. In seconds, it was written with 0 mistakes. Creating captions for social media. For those of you who are content creators or work in social media marketing, I have another valuable use case for you. ChatGPT can write captions that are engaging, on board, and optimized for specific social media platforms. For instance, you could input a few keywords or phrases related to your brand or product, and AI would generate captions that effectively communicate your message and resonate with your audience. One of the most significant benefits of using ChatGPT for social media captions is that it saves you time and effort writing and editing captions. You can easily create captions for multiple social media platforms without having to worry about writer's block or even spelling and grammar mistakes. But that's not all. It also creates captions that are optimized for search engines, increasing the likelihood that your post will be seen by more people. Here you can see I just asked ChatGPT to create a caption for my post about South Africa. In few seconds I got an amazing caption with hashtags, and then I can ask it to make it longer or shorter or more engaging, etc. etc. So whether you are running small business or managing a large brand or just looking to step up your social media game, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for writing captions that drives engagement and gets results. With its unique combination of speed and efficiency and creativity, ChatGPT should be your first choice for managing your social media captions. Reports and research. ChatGPT can help you quickly generate insightful reports, analyze complex data sets, and even conduct researches by asking questions in the conversational manner. For example, let's say you're working on a research project about consumer behavior in the food industry. Instead of spending hours and hours poring over data and piecing together a report, you could input your questions about consumer behavior into ChatGPT and receive an in-depth, accurate response that provides valuable information for your research. ChatGPT can also help you analyze large amount of data and identify patterns, trends, and insights that would be extremely useful for your research. In few seconds, it can read and analyze data that takes you hours and hours just to go through. Instead of that, you could just input all the data into ChatGPT. This could save you so much time and effort and help you uncover hidden insights that would be difficult to discover through manual analysis. Another powerful feature of ChatGPT is its ability to automate repetitive research tasks, freeing up time for you to focus on more complex strategic tasks. For example, you can use ChatGPT to help you generate charts, graphs, and tables that display your research findings. And you could use another AI called Tome to create a full-on presentation with this data by itself. This would not only save you time, but also ensure that your report is written in a clear, professional manner. For example, here I am asking for the top selling techniques for luxury goods, and in seconds, I have it all. You can also customize it for a specific product and tailor it the way you want. These were the top 4 uses of ChatGPT in Office and Cooperate Live, but this is just the tip of an iceberg when it comes to the potential of AI. There are endless uses that can help you in your daily and office life. Imagine the freedom and empowerment of being able to automate routine tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic and creative thinking. That's the true power of AI. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable career tips. I am constantly exploring new ways to bring you the best tips and tricks to rise up in your career. Let's keep pushing the limits for what's possible for AI. Will you use ChatGPT in your daily work life? Let me know in the comments. I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, take care.